Biggest game in the club's history, you know, it's our 103rd year. We've entered the Welsh Cup a few times before, but never got past the qualifying round. So we made the first round with a win against unbeaten Cross Ciliog, a Welsh League 2 at the time. But yeah, a couple of games later, we've beaten Tas Wells, a Welsh League 1, and Monmouth Town in Welsh League 2. So yeah, we're in the third round now for the first time in our history. For the club, it's by far our biggest game. So yeah, the excitement's building, and we're really looking forward to the occasion.
Mae'n game gul, mae'r gwynt yn chwythu bob beth yn erbyn ni, ond na, gen di'n edrych ymlaen at, mae'n game fawr I nhw, a dyn ni'n dangos parch yn nhw heddiw, dyn ni'n chwarae tîm cyfa, so gobeithio dyn ni'n llwyddiannus. So mae'n lot o hanes yn y Cwpan Cymru, fel dyn ni'n neud, dyn ni wedi ennill o 8 o flaen, 1908, dwi'n meddwl o Holland. Ie, fysa'n neis I cael rhediad yn y Cwpan, dyn ni ddim wedi gwneud mor dda yn y gynraedd blwyddyn yma, so ie, dyn ni'n edrych ymlaen ati.
We play in the Gwent County First Division, which is a Tier 5 league. We got promoted from the Second Division last year, so it's our first time at this tier for 7 years. We had high aspirations for the league, but our cup run has sort of dampened that a little bit. We've only played 7 league games, so I think it's 62 places between the sides today. So it's a huge challenge for us, but I'm sure we've got a couple of weapons in our arsenal that will cause Cefn Druids a couple of problems today. We've reached everything we wanted to so far, but we're not here just to make the numbers up. We're not just here to enjoy the day either. We will enjoy it, but can we try and get something out of the game? We'll certainly give it our best shot, and if at the end of the game we haven't done it, we'll be proud. But yeah, we're here for the fight.
Well, it'd be nice to buy the HM and a pint later and apologise for knocking them out of the cup, but at 2-0 is not looking great at the minute. For the rest of the season, we want to challenge for promotion. From Gwent County 1, obviously we've got Welsh League 3. Obviously that's our aim to get into Welsh League. We're going the right way about it. I mean, things like this go a long way for the players. I mean, our players have been offered to play at higher level, but they've stuck with us because they can see we're doing the right things and trying to progress.
Mae'n dydd arbennig i'r clwb. Gos I coed lawr cla'r arian i'r clwb a gwybod beth ysdi. So, yeah. Gobeithio bod ni'n gwybod nhw challenge, ond mae'n bod yn galed. Ond gobeithio dod mas nawr, cael gol, a never know.
Mi ddylai ni, y lefel o ffitrwydd ni fyddwn ni fod yn well na nhw, so dwi'n gobeithio bod yn mynd I barhau, ond fodd bynnag, dwi gol I ddim, wastad yn gallu bod dipyn o broblem, gol nesaf ydy'r un sy'n bwysig.
I thought the first half we showed them a little bit too much respect, but I think the quality of the opposition really hurt us first half. The goal, I thought we started okay, but they took the goal well. The second half we were absolutely outstanding. I said the boys in the change room, just go out there and make a game of it, and we got the goal, and I thought we was on top for a good 10 minutes, but their quality showed. They managed the game very well. Thought we were unlucky with the third goal at the end, and if we had 5 minutes where we were still in that game, we would have had one last push, but they're a top quality outfit, but I couldn't have asked any more of the players. I think they were outstanding again.
Yeah, nice to get a consolation goal. Well, to be in the game as late as we are, and were, sorry, couldn't be more proud of the boys. You know, it was a huge effort. They're a very good side, and their class did show in the end, but to be in the game as long as we were is credit to how hard the boys worked, and yeah, on another day, maybe with a bit of luck, you never know, but you couldn't be more proud.
Yeah, I'm on the bus on the way home, yeah, on the player bus. Yeah, a few beers to celebrate the victory and hopefully look to see who we get in the next round. Yeah, looking forward to it.
Cic cornel am ysgorio, dim bach yn siomedig o hynna, ond ti'n ni creu lot o cyfleon a ddim cymryd nhw. A pan ti'n neud beth fel yna, mae'r gêm yn anodd I chi, ond dyn ni trwy, dyna beth bwysig. Bydd yna rhywun wedi colli, sydd ddim I fod I colli heddiw, ond ddim yn easy, so dyn ni yn yr own nesaf, dwi'n hapus o fwrne.
The run has been brilliant. We didn't want it to end today, but we have to be realistic as well. We knew it'd be a miracle really to get through today, so we'll look back on it with a lot of pride and we'll try and do it again next year, you know. But as I said at the start, we wanted to get here and play a Welsh Premier League side. We wanted to compete, and I think we've shown everybody today that 62 places, it didn't look that kind of golf in it. Yes, they were a better side and they fully deserved the win, but we've given everything we could have.